Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel. In today's episode, you will watch a lot of bad drivers and crazy scenes caught on Dashcam. Sit back and enjoy in this one. Note to all drivers, whenever you are making a turn, please make sure you use your indicators. It's always disappointing to see a truck driver behaving like this on the road, because we are all used on them being professionals, and instead of acting like one, this guy right here was acting really childish.
People are driving crazy tonight.
Impatient driver in a pickup truck decided that for some odd reason he needed to be in front of others. We strongly advise you from acting like this on the road, because it can cause an accident really fast. Pay close attention at this careless driver in front of the camera. He completely ignored the stop sign.
Yeah, Jesus Christ, dude. I mean, driving like you're dead the whole way down. Thank you. There you go, run the red. Stop. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We move. Thank you. Hello. 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 Good job, lady. Thanks a lot.
Java that's about to appear shortly in this video apparently has a death wish. Check out how he ran onto the road.
Current loop video is now locked. Video is now locked.
He's exactly the type of player that Real Madrid fans adore. He's the guy who comes, shows up when it's needed to. He scores in the final minute of the game when you think everything is done, and suddenly he rescues Real Madrid from a defeat.
The fans love him.
It's love, is adoration, is he's become an icon.
Pay close attention at this crazy Karen who was trying to merge out onto the road. She had a clear view of the camera approaching, and despite that, she still decided to endanger herself and the camera's safety by pulling out. This is unbelievable. And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw, because that's the purpose of this channel after all, to learn simply by observing the mistakes of others. And if you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because we will really appreciate that. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.